Hey friends, it's Laura and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing the intro to my 29th Year on the Planet album. I am so excited about this album. I shared a peek of it back in my February or March All My Projects That I Did That Month video, and you could see this title page. I love this album so much. It is a beautiful album by Creative Memories. It's one of their happy albums, and I super love it. It's absolutely beautiful. You will get the chance to see the cover towards the end again, and it's got this beautiful gold foiling detail on it with the blush color. And yeah, so excited, and I'm so excited for this project too. So it is the last year in my 20s this year, and I am really excited to make the most of it. I've been excited about 29 for a while now. I have a thing for odd number ages. I really like the sound of them, and I always get really excited about them. And 29 just feels so special to me, like the last year before I turned 30, and 29 just feels like officially grown up age. I don't know. I'm really excited about it. And mostly I'm excited because my idea for this album is to document all of the really cool experiences that I have during my 29th year on the planet. So it's kind of like a highlights album for my 29th year, and really excited to document all the cool things that I end up doing within that year. And the hope was to have 29 different things that I documented throughout the year. I might end up with more than 29, or I might not do all 29. I don't know. Or it just might be like a tentative list, and however many I have is what I have. So I am decorating the page using lots of things from my stash. I've got these glitter numbers here, and they're huge. I think I got these from the Target Dollar Spot a while back, like years and years ago. I actually bought them for my 26th birthday, thinking that I would use them, and yeah, then I never did. And I was thinking, oh man, now they've gone to waste. That was a waste of $2. What am I going to do with these? And then I was like, wait a minute. I could flip this 6 upside down and use it for my 29th birthday. So yeah, that's my idea. I've had these in my stash for such a long time, and I'm really excited to finally use them. I'm using this beautiful twine that came in one of my wild hair kits this year. It is a gold thread twine with gold sequins strung on it, and it's absolutely beautiful, and I thought that would look so gorgeous as some texture on the page behind my gold glitter numbers. And I'm also adding all of these different floral stickers from my stash. You can see all those sheets to the side there are my planner stickers. And I really like using planner stickers in my scrapbooking since I don't tend to decorate my regular planner too much. I just do it for memory keeping stuff. I love using those and using up stuff from my stash, and that's what I'm doing on this title page. This, by the way, is a title page for the album. I use double-sided tape to adhere the thread to the back of my numbers, and then I cover the back of my numbers with tons of wet glue, and I put them down on my page. These numbers are really heavy and quite a bit bigger, thicker, and heavier duty than I think the pages are meant to hold. So I use tons of wet glue to make sure that it's a really strong bond once it dries, as opposed to adhesive like tape runner, which I feel like is not as strong. I add a Project Life card that I cut apart the today part off of down there at the bottom, the blush color, and I add that. And then I look through all of my different pretty planner paper clips, and I end up choosing this cute fabric bow from my stash, and I just add that onto a paper clip and add that to the top of my page. And I really want this album to be chunky and textured and full of so many beautiful girly elements like that. And you can see for a while there I had put a bowl full of different embellishments down on top of my 2 on the page, and that was because Again, that 2 kept trying to come up because the pages behind it weren't totally flat and it didn't have like a flat surface to lay on, and those numbers are just so big and bulky. And so I used the bowl and the weight of the bowl to push the 2 down because it was a ceramic bowl that weighed quite a bit. And I just laid that on top of the number 2 until my glue had dried and it was a secure enough bond that I didn't have to worry about the number coming off the page. I add a title on the left-hand page with some gold glitter thickers, and I combine uppercase and lowercase letters to make my thicker pack work for me because I didn't have enough letters of all uppercase or all lowercase to make the title. And I add some cute asterisks around my page. I'm not sure what the plural of asterisk is. Is it asterisks? Asterisks? I don't know. So anyway, I love adding those around my page, kind of like enamel dots or like, I don't know, little glitter bits. I don't know. I really like the way that they look. And that's something I've done as long as I've been scrapbooking. I love using the punctuation marks in my thicker packs for embellishing like that. The periods and the little asterisks that come in the packs. They're perfect for embellishing the page like that and adding a little bit of that gold sparkle to a few other places on this spread. And then I finish off my page with some journaling and a title here. You can see how it looks. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it's so beautiful. And I cannot wait to document more in this album. If you want to learn my favorite tips and techniques for memory keeping, check out my crafty e-courses down below where I teach you how to document your story, practice self-love, and bring a lot of creativity into your memory keeping life. I hope you have enjoyed this process video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like it so far, if you want to see the rest of this album, if you've ever tried a project like this, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun crafty videos that I share. And I wanted to throw a question out to you guys. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Should I start a Patreon? I'm starting grad school soon and I will not be able to share nearly as many YouTube videos as usual, but I was thinking about starting a Patreon that would have awesome resources, downloadables, cool tips, tricks, techniques, especially videos. That would just be a way, I think, to really make the time that I spend creating all this content worth it, especially now that I am into grad school and my time is super valuable right now and rare to come by. So please leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would be interested in me starting a Patreon and what kind of things you would love to see from me there if I do start one. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of my creative community. Bye!